Let's get in a technical view from CK Narayan. CK, it's been a smart pullback, really. Nifty up almost 100 points as we speak. What do you make of this pullback?
Well, it certainly has come as a surprise because we were trading so very insipid as of yesterday, and it did seem like the lower levels were being challenged. 55.50, which had held out, was actually lost, and the market actually closed somewhere beneath that. But then I think overseas markets trading as they have over the last couple of days seems to have done the trick for our markets as well. Even though the correlation between a very strong close on the Dow and the performance on the Nifty has not been, anything significant if you look at, let's say, the last 6 months kind of correlation. But the fact remains that we have had a, pretty solid day. I think that's most welcome. What we really need to see is how the Nifty handles itself when it trades up into those 56, 50, 60 levels, where on the past about 3 to 4 occasions we have seen some aggressive selling emerge. We are inching up to those levels even as we speak, so it's a little bit of tricky time right now. Are we going to still see that earlier seller who used to slam the market down, or is he done with the selling? Only a market moving significantly and steadily past 56.50 will confirm that. So the jury is out right now, so we need to wait. 56.45 is certainly not a level to initiate fresh positions when you are so close to that, let's say, recent set of resistance and supply levels. So I would choose to wait a little, see whether that seller is around. If he's not around, maybe then think about much better prices for the next week. But then there is more to come in the next week. Let's say particularly the the meeting by Reserve Bank, which I think will send out some amount of discomfiture among the people. So I don't think if we close very well today, people are really going to go home with long positions. So we have to we have come up a little, so we need to wait and watch a bit.
Okay, still in wait and watch mode. Watch out for the level.